How to enable course reviews on your Thinkific site. Having reviews is a really great way for you to show the credibility of your program and show people that it's well worth taking. You're going to need to turn these on. Go either to your main Thinkific dashboard, and on your left hand side you have the support your students option. Click on that first, and then when it drops down, go down to reviews. Click on reviews and it will take you to the area where you can turn on or off the reviews for each course that you have. Now, when you have new reviews like this, it will say reviews pending, and you can click on see reviews. And the great thing is you can basically decide if you want those reviews to actually show up on your course page. So the cool thing here is that it shows you the actual review that somebody has left. So you can click on here and you can see who's left the review, the number of stars that were left, and the text review. So if I press approved, that will now show up on the landing page of this particular course and will help sell that particular course. So I can go through all of these one by one and check them all if I want to. I can see here I've got 5-star reviews for all of them, so I'm just going to press approve all. And now they will all show up on my dashboard. So there you go. That is how you turn on your reviews on your Thinkific courses. I'm Sarah Cordiner. I am a verified Thinkific expert. If you need help setting up your Thinkific site, contact me, sarahcordiner.com/services. My team and I can help you get your Thinkific site set up fast. Bye for now.